Hello everyone, we have been working on simultaneous equations, and so far we have worked on elimination methods and then substitution methods. And in this video I would like to discuss about graphical methods to solve simultaneous equations. If we have a pair of equations like this, when you look at the equations here, each equation represents one straight line. So you are going to draw the straight line here that corresponds to this equation, and another straight line to the other equation. And then what happens is they are going to intersect at one particular point. And that point with the coordinates x and y are going to be the solutions for this pair of equations. So x is for x, y is going to be for y. How it works? Let's say you have access to a graphical calculator. I'm going to use GeoGebra Classic here. So what you're going to do, you basically draw the lines here. You have 2y minus x. You have 2y minus x is equal to 1. That is one line. And the other one is 3x plus y is going to be equal to 11. Yep. So when you have these two lines, you see they intersect at one point. Even I can get that point from here, press this button, intersect here, select the line and select the other line, and you see they meet at one particular point where x is 3 and y is 2. You know, when we have the coordinates, the first one is x-axis value, x is 3. This is y-axis value, so y is 2. So 3x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 are going to be the solutions for this pair of equations. And I know some of you are saying, no, we are not allowed to use graphical calculator. How am I supposed to solve this? So in that case, what you are going to do, you are going to just give some random values first to plot the graphs. If you have access to pen and paper and one ruler, that is fine. So what you're going to do is, let's say I am going to work on the first line, the first equation. So in this equation, I need to get 2 points, because if I get 2 points, then I will be able to draw the line passing through these 2 points. You're going to give random values for x. Let's say x is equal to 1. You can give any other. So, and then to figure out what is the corresponding value for y. So as you see here, instead of x, I just put 1 there. 2y minus 1 is equal to 1 here. And then my equation leads to this. 2y is equal to 2 if you get rid of this minus 1 here. And that will be y is equal to 1. So, which means I have 1 point on this line, 1 and 1. 1 and 1, the coordinate here, is actually on this line, 2y minus x is equal to 1. So I need another point. So you can give, let's say, x is equal to 2. Doesn't matter. Okay, so or in here, if you put 2, I believe you're going to get 1 decimal. You can even choose the best values you like. Let's say x is equal to 3. Don't deal with decimals. So what will happen is 2y minus 3 is equal to 1 again, and 2y is going to be equal to 4. And y is equal to 2 here. So if I solve the equation accordingly. So what I have here at this point, I have x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, 1 point. Okay, I have 1 point here, I have another point here. So which means I have 2 points, and I want to figure out how do I draw the line passing through these 2 points. I will need just graph paper here and nothing else. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark 1 point, point A with 1 and 1. Just mark 1 point on the coordinate grid, and the other point is 3 and 2. Remember, you are doing this manually on just a piece of paper. So then you're gonna draw a line with your ruler passing through these 2 points. Now the first line is drawn and you're waiting for the second line. Okay, so I am gonna check. I'm gonna get rid of this part to make it easy. Yeah, I am working on now this equation, 3x plus y is equal to 11. So I'm going to draw a line for this, but I just need 2 points. Just 2 points to figure out where the line is passing through. So you can give any numbers to x and then get the value of y accordingly. Let's say x is equal to, again, 1. It's up to you. So 3x is going to be 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus y is going to be 11. And then you will ask, which number will be there to represent y? 3 plus which number makes 11? So y is going to be 8. So then I am going to say 1 and 8 is one coordinate. Okay, this is 1 point. And the other point, can give any other. Let's say, again, x equals 3 this time. No, even if you want, you can give big numbers, but you might be ending up with negative numbers. Even if you can put this, x is equal to 0, the simplest number. 3 times 0 is 0, so that you get the y value as 11. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 11 satisfies this equation. Okay, so which means this coordinate is going to be 0 and 11. So what I will do, I will mark 2 points, 1 and 8, 0 and 11, on the coordinate grid again. So I am writing 0 and 11. This is 1 point. Yeah, you can see it. And the other point was 1 and 8. You won't have these problems when you are using ruler, the hands-on method. And I'm gonna just skip the rest of it. So with the help of your ruler, you will be able to draw another line. So these 2 lines are intersecting at 1 point. And that's the point here, the intersection point is going to be the solution. So x is equal to, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 are going to be the solutions. So basically, you need to get 2 points on this line, just random x values you are keeping to figure out what are the y values accordingly. Then draw the line. You put 2 points on here, draw the line, and wherever they intersect are gonna be the solutions. This is how we work with graphical solutions to simultaneous equations. I hope it's clear. Thank you for watching.